Amisha, let's start the session.
Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the introductory session of GDSC Club, Google Developers Student Club of GL Bajaj. I am Amisha Raj, a core member of the club. This session is going to help you to know us and connect to us better. Let us have a quick overview of what we are offering you today. Somebody please change the slide.
Sorry to interrupt, Amisha. I can't hear you.
Hello, am I audible? Okay, I'll
Okay,
begin
I'll
again.
check my network. I guess it's the problem is with my network.
Okay, I'll begin again. Hello everyone. Welcome to the introductory session of Google Developer Students Club GDSC of GL Bajaj. I am Amisha Raj, a core member of the club. This session is going to help you to know us and connect to us better. Let us have a quick overview of what we are offering you today. Somebody please change the slide. Anmol? Okay. So here we have the flow of the event. Here's the list. You'll get to know in detail about the GDSC, our vision and mission, about the upcoming events we have in store for you. You'll meet the core team, know their journey, and they'll guide you to make yours a wonderful one. And the fun part is we have an activity for you which is really interesting and fruitful. Also, the one who will win will get a shout out on our Instagram handle. I'll ask the technical team to put the Instagram link in the chat box. Also, after this, we'll take you to the past events to meet the glory and success of GDSC. This is going to be real quick. Meanwhile, don't forget to jot down your questions to ask in our question and answer session. Moving on, quick note on GDSC with the motto Connect, Learn, Grow is GDSC is basically for college going and university students interested in Google developer technologies. Those who have interest in growing as a developer are welcome. It helps students to grow knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local business and their community. To know how it helps in detail, I'll hand over to GDSC lead herself, Soumya Srivastava. Over to you, Soumya.
Thank you, Amisha. Thank you for inviting me. So, hi everyone. I am Soumya Srivastav, GDSC lead for our campus. I hope you all are learning and growing. So, I'll be leading you all to a new journey of Google Developer Student Club. So, let's now before we begin, I want to ask you all that how many of you were already aware of GDSC? So those who were already aware of GDSC, please type in yes in the chat box quickly. Okay, Akash was aware. Harshit Gupta also knows about GDSC. What is GDSC? So Rishabh, you don't know about GDSC. All right. So those who are not aware of GDSC, you need not to worry because you'll get to know everything about this club shortly. So basically, this informatory session is all about telling you all what this club does. So I think it's time to unveil the new faces of the core team. So let's begin with the technical head of GDSC. Over to you, Anmol. All right. So next we have The overview of the upcoming year. So basically, this will be the timeline for this tenure. So firstly, we are beginning with uh, Android or app development, which will be starting from tomorrow onwards, which we will be calling as Compose Camp. So guys, please wait till the end of the session. We'll be sending you the forms of Compose Camp. You guys are needed to register for the same, so that you can join the session tomorrow. So basically, Compose Camp is going to be all about Android development. Our app team head will lead you all to learn Android development using Compose Camp. Mm. So the next thing we have in this session is Google Cloud Facilitator program. So in this, you all will be given a chance to learn about cloud computing using Google's tool. And next we have Flutter Festival, which is this is also about app development, but this will be for cross-platform applications. So you will be able to build iOS apps as well as Android apps using Flutter. And next we have TensorFlow. So this event will be conducted in March. So this is all about machine learning. And at the end of this tenure, we'll be having a solution challenge. And for the solution challenge, I'll not be telling you what it is right now, but at the end of the session, I will be introducing to the solution challenge, and I'll tell you everything about it in detail. So let's now get familiar with other teams of this GDSC. So here we are. Over to you, Amit. You can now tell us about your team.
Yeah, thanks. Hi everyone, this is Amit Maiti, Head of Application Dev Team. I have experience in native Android apps using Java for a year. I have worked on many projects and I have worked in two open source programs in the Android tech stack as a project mentor and to another open source program as a contributor. So move on to the next slide. Okay. So in the Android app, we create apps for the Android operating system, and more than 70% market share of smartphone is Android over iOS. So you can think what's the potential of this tech. So we can create native app using Java or Kotlin, but now Kotlin is an official language recommended by Google to create Android apps. It is used to be Java, but now Kotlin is recommended by Google because of its features like continuous, expressive, and concise code. You can do more with a few codes, express your ideas, and reduce the amount of code. 67% of professional developers who use Kotlin say Kotlin has increased their productivity. So it has many pros to using this in native Android app. So okay, move on to the next. Over to the conversation.
Now let's meet Akansha, who is also a team member of application development. So over to you, Akansha.
My
Akan,
field is Flutter. Yeah, Soumya, you were saying something?
you are not audible. Please, can you introduce yourself? Uh, I think we couldn't hear you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Akansha Rao, core team member of application development team in GDSC. So my field is Flutter. Flutter is an open source UI developed by like it's a software development kit developed by Google itself. So most important thing which makes it popular is that it is used to develop cross-platform applications for Android, iOS, Linux, Mac OS, Windows, etc. So basically, it is all about application development. So by which you can build applications. So learning from the scratch to the deployment of your application, what you made or your clone or anything. So as Soumya said, we are having our compose camp beginning from tomorrow. Yeah, and you'll be getting registration link also. So it's not only about this compose camp of application development. There are many other fields that our club is taking initiative of, like your artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is right now a hot topic. So
After two more sessions online, we will totally switch to offline mode. So, yes. Now let's move further. Now I'd like to call Bhuvnesh, the head of web development team. Now he will introduce you to his team.
Thank you, Soumya. Hello, everyone. My name is Bhuvnesh Sharma, and I'm from third year IT branch. I've been doing web development for past 1 year now, and during this time, I learned and worked with various frameworks and libraries like React.js, Express.js, Node.js, Redux, etc. And now I'm planning to conduct offline events related to web development so that students can get the maximum benefit out of it. Now I would like my team members to introduce themselves, starting with Aditya. Over to you, Aditya.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya Srivastava, a second year student at GLBITM. I'm a core team member of web development GDSC. I'm well versed in front end HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with and have experienced making websites with tech stacks such as Vue.js and Tailwind. Currently, I'm busy learning backend with Ruby with framework using Rails, and I've created several projects from simple to-do list to full-blown personal websites. And that's it about me.
All right, Aditya, can you show us some samples of yours?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So this was one of my past projects, and I wanted to show my friend that it can be interesting to watch some anime, and I made a, a small fandom page with one of my favorite animes of Naruto, where you can uh, scroll down and watch some music by directly clicking onto it, or you can read some manga from here, which redirects to you to one other website which has collection of other manga materials. And for furthermore, if you want to know more about the characters of Narutoverse, you can click on characters and go to this fandom page, which explains in detail about other characters. So yeah, with web development, you can make even simple projects which can be quite exciting to make, and could be responsive in many of the screen sizes of whether it be your phone or an iPad Air, etc. So yeah, it will be great to it will be great to converse with you, and we meet in other events related to web development. So thank you.
All right, Aditya, this was very cool. So, if you guys also want to develop websites like this, attend our sessions in future, which we are going to conduct. All right, now let's move further with Anshika Gupta.
Hello everyone. My name is Anshka Gupta and I am a core team member of web development in GDSC. Finding creative solutions to problems is something I have always enjoyed. As a kid, I loved tinkering with things that were broken, figuring out how they work and fixing them again. When I finished high school, I knew what I exactly want my career to be. So here I am finishing up my degree at GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. I am currently working as a front end development and have learned languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and C. In the near future, I look forward to become a full stack developer. Now I would like our next team member, Prabhat, to introduce himself.
Hi everyone, myself Prabhat Dwivedi and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's from GL Bajaj Institute of Technology. I am a core team member of web development team of Google Developer Student Club. I started my coding journey with simple programming languages like C, C++ and Java, but after that I switched to web development because I found my interest being in web development and UI designing. I have worked with tech like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I'm currently learning the implementation of Bootstrap. I'm looking forward to learn Monstack and and develop full websites. Thank you. Over to Shubhanshu.
Now let's wait for Shubhanshu right now. I think it's time for some fun activity as it is being so monotonous listening to all of your people. So let's begin with a short quiz which will be quite fun. Now, Anmol, can you please share the link of the quiz? Everyone in the meet, please join the quiz, and those who will win the quiz, will we will be giving them a shout out on on our Instagram handle. So, Amisha, please take note of the winners, and also over to you. You can conduct the quiz right now.
Sure. The link of the quiz has been sent in the chat box. Quickly, you'll get a shout out on our Instagram handle. As 30 of you have already joined, the link is in the chat box.
I guess a lot of people has joined already. Those who are left, please join it quickly. All right, 39 people have already joined the quiz, and in the meet, we are having total of 66 people. Guys, come on, join the quiz. All right, I think these many people are enough. Let's begin the quiz. Okay, so this was the first question. Everybody, please answer. Your speed is also being counted. Only 37 people answered, I guess. So we have Priyam leading the leaderboard right now, and following with Mohit and Karthik. This is an interesting question. How many apps are available in the App Store? Guys, come on. Let's see now who is leading the leaderboard. Okay. Congratulations, Mohit. You are leading the leaderboard right now. Amisha, do you think they'll be able to answer this question?
I
Amisha.
guess Mohit will.
Okay, let's see who answers this first. Oh
Mohit
my
again.
god.
Mohit, do you know the questions before?
It says hat trick. He answered three questions. No, he answers three questions correctly with the most speed.
Okay, this time Yashashvi. This is a very quick one, no?
Right. Who answered monkey and rat and rabbit? Guys, come on, this was a trick question.
Wow, Yashashvi again. Mohit, where's Mohit now? You need to be quick.
Otherwise, Yashashvi will beat you.
We were taught this in HTML.
Mhm. Okay,
Okay,
now
this
we have
time a new one,
Tyagi.
Khushi Tyagi. Nice, correct and quick answer.
Okay, not many people knew about this. Let's see who answered it correctly. Again, Khushi Tyagi. Okay, not many people were aware about this. Let's see who answered this one. Oh my god, again it's Khushi Tyagi.
The last question, guys, you're gonna get a shout out on our Instagram handle.
Be quick, guys. Your speed will lead you to your winning. Creeper virus. Right. Let's see who are the winners. Okay, Khushi Tyagi is the winner, and second is Priyam, and third is Vansh Rajput. So all three of you, please drop your Instagram IDs and email IDs and your name along with your branch and section so that we can give you a shout out on Instagram.
Khushi, Priyam, and Vansh, drop your Instagram profile in the chat box and all those details Soumya asked.
All right, now let's move further. Let me share my screen again. Mm. Now I'd like to call Shubhanshu Singh to introduce himself and his team.
Hey everyone, I'm Shubhanshu Singh from third year CSE branch. I'm the head of competitive programming domain in GDSC. About my profile, I'm a 4-star coder and code chef with a rating of 1903 and specialist on code forces. I got an all India rank of 529 in round 2 of IICC and rank 2600 in round C of Google Kickstarting. So, what is competitive programming? How many of how many of you have heard of competitive programming? Can you let me know in the chat box?
All right, Rishabh says
And
that he doesn't know about competitive programming. So Rishabh, you need not to worry. Shubhanshu, Akash, and Nikhil are there to tell you what is competitive programming and how you can get through it. So
All right.
let's wait to hear from Shubhanshu. Yes, Shubhanshu.
Well,
You
as
know.
the name suggests, you compete with other people to see who solves programming questions faster. It's really fun and helps you learn logic building and improves your ability to solve questions faster. It will also help you to prepare you for your interviews. There is a common misconception that you need knowledge of DSA to start competitive programming, but that couldn't be further from the truth. You only need knowledge of arrays and maps and basic programming concepts like if, else, and for statements. I would suggest everyone to at least try competitive programming by giving contests on CodeChef for beginners, and then you can move on to other coding platforms like Codeforces and such. It's really fun and reaching higher ranks feels really good. Now my friend Akash will introduce himself. Over to you, Akash.
Okay. Hello everyone. Myself Akash Roy. I'm a third year CSC undergrad and also a part of competitive programming team in GDSC. I'm rated 1700 on CodeChef and I have solved over 400 DSA problems across various programming platforms like LeetCode and Code Studio. I have taken participation in many offline and online contests. I have got an All India rank of 120 in India Innovate Coding Championship and also a global rank of 1219 Google Kickstart. So this was all about me. Soon we will be organizing sessions on how you guys can improve your ratings on these platforms. I guess we'll start with an introductory session where we will talk about what CP is and why CP is important. And moreover, we will be conducting a coding contest in in the campus of our college itself. And we'll have rewards as well. Like last year, we had one sponsor. This year, we're expecting many sponsors. So, guys, keep preparing and be patient. Now, over to you, Nico.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Hi guys, I am Nikhil Singh. Currently, I am in second year and my domain is CP, competitive programming. I have been doing CP since last year and it helped me a lot in developing my problem solving skills. I am doing CP in C++. For practice, I have used CodeChef and other sites. It was excellent and I learned a lot of concepts like array, map, vector, hashing, set, etc. Still, I have to learn more in CP. CP is amazing and I think you should try it. That is all about me. Now over to you, Rishabh.
Hello guys, I am
So
Rishi Gupta.
Rishabh, can you wait? So guys,
Yes.
the head of cybersecurity team is unavailable right now. So we only have Rishabh Gupta. So he'll introduce himself along with his and technical head, which is Anmol Gangwar, not Anmol Wadhwa. So yes, let's get started with Rishabh Gupta.
Hello guys, I am Rishi Gupta from Rajasthan, pursuing bachelor's in technology from GL Bajaj. I am in cybersecurity team of GDSC club. I started with Python for my development journey. Then I started operating towards cybersecurity field out of interest and did several courses. Right now, I am learning Java and web development. I am exploring it by doing few projects that are listed at GitHub. I try to expand my domain by being aware of regularly cyber attacks and vulnerabilities. You can also get started in cybersecurity field, like starting with basic networking, coding, and system administration, and so on, and building critical IT thinking. You should also know the basics of using Linux, or you can say Kali Linux. I started my journey with Pirate OS based on Debian branch and trying the tools present in it and extending the full use of it. And then popular certifications like OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, and CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. We are going to tell you more about these in upcoming GDSC security events. Thank you.
So let's move further with the content writing and graphic designing team. So Amisha, let's begin with you.
Hello, people. Amisha again. I am a core team member in content writing and graphic designing. There lies my interest in literature and designing. Being a part of GDSC has helped me a lot, and I look forward to exciting events that we are going to witness and learn. Thanks. Over to you, my fellow teammate, Rashmi.
I think Rashmi is not available right now, so let's move with mm, management team. And in management team also, Manvesh is not available right now. So Khushbu, over to you.
Hello everyone, this is Khushbu Chauhan from third year EC department and I'm working in core team of GDSC as an event management and public relation head for the tenure 2022 and 2023. So yes, our team will coordinate and plan creative events for GDSC for this tenure. Thank you.
Okay, Khushbu, thank you so much. Now let's move further. So guys, these are the past events which we conducted last year. We had again 30 days of Google Cloud, and so these are the you can see these are the goodies which everyone received after completing the 30 days of Google Cloud. So this year also, from next month onwards, or maybe in the end of October, we'll begin with 30 days of Google Cloud again, and you guys can participate in this and learn Google Cloud for 30 days and complete all the quests given in the track. And at the end of the 30 days of Google Cloud, you will be getting these surprises. Now next time there will be some other prizes. These are the prizes which we got last year, so it makes it very exciting to learn about Google Cloud. And next we had Android Study Jam, and in replacement to this, we are having Compose Camp in this session. So which is beginning from tomorrow only. So you will be getting the details about Compose Camp today or tomorrow. Today in the evening, I guess, in your WhatsApp groups, official WhatsApp groups of second year, or maybe also in on unofficial groups. And do follow us on Instagram. We update everything over there. You can be get all the updates regarding GDSC GLBITM on our Instagram handle. Amisha, can you please send the link of Instagram handle on the chat box so everyone can go and follow our
Sure.
page?
Sure.
Okay. So these are the few events which we conducted in the offline mode in previously. So the first image shows we had a coding contest conducted by GDSC with collaboration to Coding Ninjas. So that was this, and the other image shows that we had an hackathon held in our campus, which was the prerequisite of SIH, which is known as Smart India Hackathon. For Smart India Hackathon, we need to select few people, about 5 to 7 teams from each college. So this was the college round for SIH. And next we have, okay, so this is a picture of last year's team. This is the GDSC team for last year, with HOD sir Sanjeev Pippal, and Sansar Chauhan. Now let's see what solution challenges. I told you earlier about this. Now I will get in detail about this. So let's move to its website first. So I hope you can see my screen. Okay, not now. Wait. Mhm. Is my screen visible? Can any one of you unmute your mic and tell me if it's visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this is solution challenge. It's more like a hackathon. Um Let me show you what it is all about. So basically, Solution Challenge is a hackathon conducted by Google, and all the GDSCs all over the world. Like in every college, in every university, we have a GDSC. So every GDSC participates in this solution challenge, and let's see what are the perks of solution challenge. So guys, in this hackathon we are given few sustainable development goals about which we have to find a solution to. So like, let's suppose there's a problem called poverty. You all are aware that poverty is a big problem which we are facing these days. So basically, what a team has to do is to provide a solution which is related to tech and using Google technologies. We had to find a solution related to all these 17 problems. We can choose one problem at a time. So after that, when we choose a problem, we need to find a solution for it which has to be feasible. And then there goes the first round where we present our idea. Like, suppose if the problem is clean water and sanitization, and we had an idea of building a, let's say, a water filter which includes technologies like ML or AI, app development, web development, all these technologies which are which Google provides. We use that and made an idea regarding clean water and sanitization. So the first round was about just the presentation of the idea, and if we pass the first round, we'll be getting a mentor from Google itself, and that mentor will mentor us throughout the challenge to implement our idea. Because when we think of an idea, we are not able to know that whether we'll be able to implement it completely or not. So for that, we were assigned a mentor from Google itself, and then we try to implement our idea up to 30 to 40%, and then goes the second round, and so and on it goes. And till the last round, the team who are able to implement their idea completely and provide a sustainable solution to this to a particular problem. And also, these problems are problem statements are provided by the United Nations. I'll show you more about these problems. Let's see. Okay, so these are few problem statements like no poverty, and we are given the links for the details of these problems, and also we are provided some example projects. We can look into the examples. Okay, Kushi is saying something in the chat box. Let me see. Kushi Tyagi was the winner for the quiz. Okay, Amisha, please look into this matter while I continue explaining what solution challenge is. Okay, so
Sure.
I where was I? Okay, example projects. Yes, so we are also given a few example projects. Let's try to open one example project. Can you see this tab? One of you please unmute yourself and tell me if you can see the tab.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we have to think of an idea, and it's not necessary that you have to be a part of the core team member of the GDSC. You need not to be a core team member. You can also be just a regular member or even a non-member. If you have an idea related to any of these problems that we are facing in the world right now, you can present your idea to any of the core team members. You can always ping us on Instagram, LinkedIn, or wherever you can find us. Also, then we will include you in our team. If we find your idea quite feasible and interesting, we'll include you in our team, and then we'll move further with this solution challenge. And now at the end, why do we have this solution challenge? Why we need to do this? Okay, so first reason is that first reason is obviously sure that these problem statements are helping the world. So that is the main goal of solution challenge, because obviously if we find a solution to a sustaining problem, then it's the benefit for you and for your society and for this world. So that's the first benefit. And the other benefit is that top 50 teams who are selected in uh, solution challenge will win a t-shirt, certificate and mentorship from Google and other experts to improve their ideas and submit the solution for the top prize. So top 50 teams are being selected in the second last round. So if our team gets to be in one of these teams, we will get these things which are mentioned in the website, like a t-shirt, certificate, mentorship and everything else. And suppose then we reach the top 10 finalists, everyone in the team, if suppose GDSC GLBITM is among the top 10 finalists, so every team member who was there in the solution challenge will get a $1,000 cash prize each member. As you can see, it's mentioned here quite clearly, per team member. So that's a big amount, $1,000. And also a swag kit, certificate, mentorship from Google, feature in Google developers blog and everything else. So that's for top 10 finalists. And for top 3 winners, we have a $3,000 cash prize per team member. So if you are not a core team member, you can still join our team for submitting through to solution challenge. You can still join our team. We'll be outing our membership forms at the end of this session, so please do not leave the meet right now. Wait till the end. We'll be giving you our membership forms so that you can join GDSC at our campus, and if and help us and contribute to us on in thinking of an idea which will help in solution challenge, so that we can also reach to top 3 winners next year, or maybe just in the top 10 finalists. So yes, that's it about the solution challenge. And also, if we get to be in the top 3 winners, we are not getting 3,000 only, we are getting 4,000 in total, because for getting into top 3 we need to be in top 10. So in total, each of the participant of a team of, let's say, GDSC GLBITM, if we win, we will be getting $4,000, which is not a less amount. And also a mentorship from Google. And that's not it. If you win this challenge, all the prestigious universities and colleges approach you for internships and mentoring and everything you need. Last year winners were given a chance to get an internship at IIT Delhi. So that's about solution challenge. If you guys are interested in solution challenge, you can go on to their website, which is just type in solution challenge 2022 or 2023. You will get to this website, and you can explore more in this website and see what are these ideas about. You can see all the previous year projects, and you can see YouTube videos about this projects and search more about this, and come back to us with an idea. um, we will be accepting ideas till the end of this tenure, which is I guess June. So we have time, not June actually, April, because in April we will be starting with solution challenge. So before April, that is March end, before April, or you can say mid April, before mid April, you can submit your ideas to us. So we look forward for getting more and more ideas. Now let's move further. Okay. So now it's time that we share our membership forms to you. So Amisha and Anmol, can you please share the membership form in the chat box right now,
Sure.
quickly? Okay. guys, please fill this form and share this form to all of your friends and tell them about GDSC. Spread awareness about this and fill this form and join the Telegram group which is mentioned in the form. And okay, so now okay, Kushi has sent her LinkedIn ID. All right, Kushi, we'll see if we can help you with that because we are only giving shout outs on our Instagram handle. Let's see what we can do about this. Okay, so also one more thing. If you guys are interested in a particular domain, you can still join our telegram group. We will be sharing a separate group links on the telegram group itself related to separate domains. So suppose if you are interested in web development, you will have a separate group for web development where you can talk about all about web development. So that's it for today, and if you guys have any questions for us, you can start putting your questions and in the chat box, and if you feel comfortable, you can also unmute your mic and ask us your question. You can ask your question from any one of us from our team who introduce yourself today. So yes, guys, shoot your questions. Okay, why is there a silence? Nobody has any questions? Was everything so clear today? Okay, Abhay Gupta. So, what is your question? You just typed in yes. Abhay, can you hear me? Do you have a question, Abhay? Okay. So, anyone else, guys, do you have any questions? You can ask all your queries today. Okay, what is the procedure to join the core team in future? So, Aditya, basically what we do is when a begins, the lead, like I was the lead, I promoted the GDSC on Instagram. I I I forwarded the forms in the class groups uh, for the core team member. If you follow us on Instagram, you can see that we shared our recruitment forms few days back. I guess in August, we shared our membership core team membership forms. So you can fill that form next year because now we are not accepting any more admissions to GDSC. Although you can still be a part of GDSC by joining our membership member teams like a regular member team. We shared the form in the chat box. You can join that right now, and if you want to join the core team, you can try out next year. It is a process in which we review your application, and application consists of two essays regarding why you want to be a part of GDSC and all that, also your tech domain, and after that you go through an interview process. So that's it. After the interview, you get to know if you are selected or not. So that's it for this question. I am Abhay Gupta is from other college. Can I join? Yes, you can join the regular membership form. Yeah, you can fill that regular membership form. You can be a regular member of this GDSC, not the core team, not in the core team. Anyone else, guys? Do you have any questions? Okay, where should I submit my idea on the solutions in future? Okay, Vivek, you can obviously submit your ideas in the Telegram group, which is there in the form, which Amisha sent a minute ago. You can fill that form, and there you will find the Telegram channel link. Join that group, and you can always submit your idea, or you can contact me. I'll send you my contact. This this is my. I'm sending you my email ID. You can mail me anytime regarding your idea. Also, let me mention my Instagram account. You can contact me there as well. All right. Do we have more questions? What is the official Instagram handle? Wait a minute. I'm sending you right now. Follow this page, DSC GL Bajaj. You can also submit your solution ideas on this Instagram handle, and do join us for our further sessions. Any more questions? If at present I don't have enough knowledge regarding the domain which I want to join, then also can I join it? Yes, Akshara, you can join a group or any other group related to a specific domain. You can join every group also, because when we conduct the roadmap session, you will get to know what a particular domain is all about. So then you will be able to decide that which domain you want to pursue further. So you can join every group related to each domain. But for now, do fill the membership form right now. Any more questions? Okay, I've sent the Instagram handle in the chat box. You guys can go and follow our Instagram page. Also, share our page with your friends. Guys, do we have any more questions? No, Aditya. Okay, you are done with the questions. Anyone else? Okay, if you have any questions related to a particular domain, you can ask the domain head also. All right. I guess we do not have any more questions. So thank you all for joining us. Let's see you in our further sessions. All right. Let's end this session for today.